Hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you can create AI videos using Hailuo AI. So it was very easy. First of all, we will search for Hailuo AI. After that, we will click on that first website. Now we will write our prompt here. So for prompt, for example, I want to create a 3D character jumping video, for example. So I will tell Hailuo AI create a 3D character. After my prompt, I will click simply on that 30 option. Now I need to wait a little bit. Here we go. Our video processing was started. It will ready in 6 minutes. Once it's get ready, I will show you the result. Here we go. Our video is ready. Let's see how was the result. You guys can see Hailuo AI created best video for me. That's how you can create AI video through Hailuo AI. Thanks for watching.